If you're trying to launch a game and keep getting the error, Steam must be running to play this game, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. This issue usually happens when the game can't detect the Steam client. Some game files are missing or corrupted, or firewall permissions are blocking Steam from running properly. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the solution. First, make sure Steam is completely closed. If it's running in the background, click the right-hand side arrow button and close the Steam app. Then right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for any Steam-related processes running in the background, select them, and end the task. Once everything is closed, exit Task Manager and launch the Steam client again. Sometimes a full restart of Steam is all it takes to fix the issue. If that doesn't work, then go to Windows Search, type Windows Security, and open it. From there, go to Firewall and Network Protection, then click on Allow an app through Firewall. Look for Steam or the game in the list, and make sure both private and public checkboxes are enabled. If they're not checked, click on Change Settings and check both boxes. If Steam app does not exist in the list, then add it, click on Allow another app, then browse to the Steam installation folder, usually located in Program Files, x86 folder, then select steam.exe and add it. In my case, Steam is already added to the exception list. After doing this, try launching the game again. If the issue still isn't fixed, the next step is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game that's showing the error, and select Properties. Small window will open, go to the Installed File section, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game files and re-download anything that's missing or corrupted. This process usually takes around 5 minutes, so be patient. As you can see here, in my case, one file failed to validate and was reacquired. Once that's done, launch the game again, and the error should be gone. These are a few simple but effective steps to fix the Steam must be running to play this game error. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.